Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro GBP, Euro British Pound for 8 April 2021. So this analysis is for 8 April only. You'll see me tomorrow again with the analysis for 9th April. So please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the present chart of Euro GBP. As we all know, this pair is in downtrend for last 3 to 4 months. Okay, let me show you. Okay. See, this is the chart of Euro GBP, and you can see that Euro GBP is in downtrend since December. Okay, it started falling from December, and still it is in downtrend. Okay, and if we look at the weekly chart of Euro GBP, you can see that the pair is heavily oversold, and after a long period of time this pair is seeing a green candle like this. Okay, and this green candle has taken place because of this rise in market. Okay, so what should be a strategy for Euro GBP then? Okay. So see, as we all know, the first rule of the market is that we should always stay with the trend. We should not go against the trend. And the trend of the market, or trend of Euro GBP, is, I have already shown you, it is heavily bearish. Therefore, in a market like this, generally we should always be looking for selling opportunity. Is not it? And if we consider this high, okay, and we can see that after reaching this particular price level, okay, the price started stumbling, the price is unable to go up, and as a result, okay, we can see a red candle right now. And if we draw a line here, we can see that market is getting some resistance. Yes, if I zoom out the chart, you can see that there is a resistance at this particular level, and the next resistance is available here. See, overall the trend of the market is towards the downside. Therefore there are multiple resistances available in the market. So as a result there is no point of looking for buying opportunity, because if you buy here, okay, if you are a risky trader, you are an aggressive trader, and if you buy here, suppose you buy here looking at these candles, okay, if you buy here, then your stop loss will be here below this particular line. Okay, your stop loss cannot be this huge. Your stop loss cannot be more than 150 pips, 150 to 200 pips. This this is insane. Okay, because if this is your stop loss, this cannot be your take profit target. Okay, so this is something very crazy and foolish. Therefore, this cannot be your target. As I always say, you should always find the area of value before executing the order. As of now, we can see that our area of value is near the resistance. Okay, as we're looking for shorting opportunity, and shorting opportunity is best just below the resistance, and we can see that yes, market is just below the resistance. And if you want, okay, if you want to take some risk, then you can go ahead and short the market right now. Okay, but see, I'm not telling you that you should, because see, I have just used this word that if you want to take risk, because see, if you consider these candles, okay, just look at these candles, just focus on these candles. Anyone can tell that market is heavy bullish, okay, because bulls were very much in pressure. They were very serious, and that's how they took the market all the way up. Just look at the size of these candles. If you look at the size of these candles, we can easily tell that market was very much bullish. Okay. Therefore, if you are a beginner and you do not want to take any risk, you want to play extremely safe, okay, then this is not the trade for you. But if you have got some experience, you can afford to take some risk, okay, then you can short the market right here. Okay. Because see, considering these candles, okay, if I consider this size of these candles, then I'll tell you that you should not trade. If you are a beginner, then it's a no trade for you, if you cannot afford to lose money. And if you want to take some risk, considering this level, considering this resistance and this oversold condition of the market, you can go for a trade right now. But if you cannot afford to take risks, okay, and you are very much serious about this size of these candles, then stay away from Euro GBP as of now. I'll tell you tomorrow what you need to do. But if you want to take some risk, okay, then you have got a mild opportunity to make some money shorting at this level. Your stop loss will be here, okay, because market is also overbought, sorry. So this is the analysis, and this is the simple strategy that if you want, then you can follow for Euro GBP. Hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.